All right, so let's go ahead and do our DIY security tip of the week. And this week it's all about, yes, mighty Facebook, because it doesn't seem like not a day goes by that you hear about some security breach anywhere, especially maybe Facebook is in the news every other day because of something that they're doing. So, how does Facebook make their money? Well, Facebook sells your data to who knows who, and they keep track of everything that you do when you're on Facebook. And even when you're just logged into Facebook and using other websites, Facebook still tracks what you do. And then what they do is they compile all that information and they sell it to advertising. So, what I'd like you to do is take a look at what advertisers know about you and get your privacy back. The first stop is in the settings menu. You're going to click on ads and get into ad preferences. Don't worry about writing any of this down because we have all the step by steps for you. And then you want to get into advertisers and businesses. You want to also look under category of who has uploaded and shared a list with your information. That's what you want to do. Then you want to see all the information advertisers are allowed to pull about you. Maybe it's not just your relationship status, your employer, your education. You want to look at different categories. You want to change the ad settings so you're totally off the radar. And in case you're wondering on how to do all of this, again, all the steps are over at komando.com. That's Komando.com. And once you're there, click that link that says Show Pics right on the homepage. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.